Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. We are taking a look here at the shorter time frame for ETH. Ethereum continues to hold below this signal line. The price could not break above these previous swing highs today, and this line is located at $4,500. It's an area that has been quite relevant over the last week or so. You see here, price, we have a lot of touch points here at this resistance line. And yeah, even today, we had some volatility. Yeah, job report came out, but jobs report, but that just did lead to some volatility. We're basically where we were already on the 2nd of September, right? And on the 1st of September. And on the 30th of August, 29th of August. No major movements here, just sideways consolidation. We are stuck below that key level, but also we are holding above the support line here at $4,200. So we are in a narrow range, basically. Support levels for the weekend, $4,211, $4,100, and $4,050. And to the upside, I've got resistance at around $4,500. And that's basically our range. And above that level, yeah, I mean, we can talk about here. We can talk about the previous swing high here around $4,670. Absolutely. But you could nearly say that, we can basically say we are in a larger range. And this larger range we can split into two. And as long as we stay below the green line, we could say maybe pressure is downward and we're following that white scenario downward. And if we break above the green line, the white count as it is will become far less likely. Yeah, can always be that this B wave extends and everything, but for now, that could be a perspective, right? That it's kind of maybe short-term bearish or neutral below the green line. Above the green line, we can at least get some confirmation that we're working here on the D wave of our triangle. These are still the two unchanged perspectives. So that gives you the resistances and support levels for the weekend. I don't expect any major or significant breakouts here over the weekend. What could be the case is that we are simply going to hover sideways in the broader range here until we have the Fed interest rate decision. Yeah, unfortunately, the market has been stuck in this correction now for the last 2 to 3 weeks. And that is normal. People get frustrated, get bored and everything. That is completely normal. When enough people are bored, the market will make a move and people will miss it, right? That's normal. That's completely normal. So don't blame anybody if they get bored. That's normal in these wave fours, or you get frustrated, completely normal. But that's what the market is doing by intention. That's by design. It's part of it. That's normal in a wave 4, and so we have some very, very important levels to watch. But for now, the market has not yet made a decisive move. No confirmation for an upside breakout. So my view is still that this correction is still unfolding, but expect the microstructures to shift a little bit because, as you can see, nothing has changed, but still we get some volatility, some volatile up and down movements. But without any follow through, without any 5-wave move into one of these, or above one of these technical levels, for example, the structure remains sideways, boring, confined by these support and resistance lines. Yeah. So again, 4,500 above, 4,211 below, and then this should be a strong one here around $4,100 and $4,050. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, news, videos, and much more. You can find the link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.